What if I told you there's a way to learn 10 times faster without textbooks, without writing boring summaries, and without even trying? Harvard students use these exact techniques to crush exams, memorize faster, and still have time to live. And today I'm handing over 6 of them to you. Forget your sad little routine, sitting there highlighting like an idiot and rereading the same crap over and over. These students study for exams in just minutes and still remember everything weeks later, while you're out here forgetting what you studied yesterday. And guess what? You don't need rich parents or superpowers to hack your brain the same way. Welcome to Easy Mode. Let's get started. 6. Yell until it sticks. Oh, so you thought whispering your notes like a scared little tulip would turn you into a Harvard genius? Pathetic. Try this instead. Read that shit out loud. And I don't mean calmly like a yoga instructor. I mean yell it, swear at it, throw in a couple of "why the hell is this so stupid?" and watch your memory cling to that info like your life depends on it. You're not a plant. Stop acting like one. And hey, Disney princess, science actually backs this up. Researchers at the University of Waterloo proved that reading out loud boosts memory retention. It's called the production effect. Your brain pays more attention when you say and hear stuff at the same time. And when you add emotion, like yelling at your chemistry formulas like they insulted your mom, it activates your limbic system, which is the part of your brain that ties emotion to memory. Translation: the more dramatic you are, the more your brain remembers. Go yell at your textbooks, idiot. 5. Sleep listening with theta waves. So you want to learn like a Harvard student, but can't stay focused for more than 6 minutes while awake? Oh, please. Let's train your dumbass brain while you sleep. This is some ridiculous brain cheat code. Put on 4 Hertz theta wave tracks before bed, review the stuff you're supposed to memorize, and just knock out. Your brain goes into this dreamy absorption mode where it's basically doing homework without your permission. You're out here drooling on your pillow, and your subconscious is grinding flashcards like a beast. You're welcome. But wait, genius, we're not done. Add a trigger like snapping your fingers while you study. Why? Because later, when you're scrolling TikTok like the idiot you are, snap those fingers again and boom, your brain jumps back into focus. Like you're being hunted by a Soviet officer. This is what real smart learning looks like, even if you're as dumb as a brick. 4. Review during the first hour after waking up. The first hour after you wake up is when your brain is basically juiced up on dopamine and acetylcholine, nature's Red Bull. It's like your mind is begging you, please, for once, feed me something useful. And what do? Scroll TikTok in bed for 47 minutes watching some guy make sandwiches with his feet. Pathetic. You've got a 1-hour brain superpower to window and you're out here acting like it's toilet time. You want to learn like a Harvard student? Then act like your brain is worth more than a soggy cornflake. Use that golden hour to review the hardest stuff, the subject that makes your soul scream. Math, biology, whatever makes you question your existence. That first hour is the difference between top 1% and top "why the hell did I fail again?" And to reach the top 1%, I had to create my own study system, and now it's your turn to use it. Because I had no Rich Daddy prep course, no private tutor whispering in my ear, just me, my ugly desk, and a simple-ass routine I followed even on the days I wanted to cry into my pillow. And that dumb little system got me into the #1 university in Latin America. Out of thousands of applicants, they picked 12. I was one of them, with 0 help. Now, this same system is helping students around the world get insane results while studying 80% less than everyone else. So stop being an idiot, click the link in the description now to get access to my free masterclass, where I break down the exact study system that can skyrocket your grades without sacrificing your free time like a fool. 3. Learn in the shower. Let me guess. You're one of those geniuses who uses shower time to question all your life decisions and rehearse the perfect response to that one message your crush sent 3 days ago, right? Well, guess what, idiot? Your brain loves to overthink in the shower. So why not shove some actual knowledge into it while you're in there? Shower learning is real. And if you're not doing it, you're wasting the one place where your dumbass brain actually turns on. Stick some waterproof notes on the wall, write on the mirror, talk to yourself like a mad scientist, whatever it takes. And don't act like it's weird. Your brain literally enters a relaxed, creative state in the shower. That's why all your million-dollar ideas hit while you're shampooing. So slap that formula next to your conditioner and start conditioning your brain too, idiot. 2. Do the fake deadline trick. You really think you're gonna magically learn something eventually, huh? Hate to break it to you, Einstein, but your brain doesn't move unless it smells danger. So here's the trick. Set a fake-ass deadline. Act like you've got to give a TED Talk in 20 minutes about mitochondria, or the French Revolution, or whatever crap you've been avoiding. Pretend there's a crowd waiting to laugh the second you blank out. That imaginary shame, good, let it light a fire under your ass and turn you into a genius. Your brain loves pressure. It's a drama queen. If there's no panic, it doesn't care. But the moment you convince it that humiliation is near, it's suddenly working overtime, like its job's on the line. So go on, set a timer, lie to yourself, sweat a little, and study like your crush is in the front row judging every word. Fake it till you make it, idiot. 1. Loop study with hidden repetition. Oh, you thought reading your notes once like a lazy goldfish was enough to remember anything? Nice try, dumbass. Your brain's not Google Drive. It doesn't just save stuff on command. You gotta trick it. Loop that crap 3 times a day like it's your toxic ex texting you at 2 a.m. First, read it like you're pretending to care. Then explain it to your dumb face in the mirror, yes, out loud. And finally, listen to yourself while doing chores. Like you're the host of the world's worst educational podcast. Sound like overkill? That's because your brain needs to be bullied into remembering anything. Repetition is the sneaky hack all smart people use but never tell idiots like you. Why? Because they're out there repeating formulas while brushing their teeth, and you're busy doom-scrolling memes. Every time you hit that material in a new way, your brain makes stronger connections. So if you ever want to remember something without crying mid-exam, stop being a one-and-done loser and start looping like your GPA depends on it, because it does, you academic penguin. And if you want to take this to the next level, don't forget to click the link in the description or comments to get into my free masterclass where I break down the exact study system that can skyrocket your grades without throwing your free time in the trash like a total idiot. Use that to your advantage, genius. Oh, send this video to that one friend who's even lazier than you. You know exactly who I'm talking about. And I hope to see you in the next video. If you don't show up, well, you're even dumber than I thought.